Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we're going to show you how to use your existing phone number for WhatsApp Business. Many people wonder if they can use one single number for both regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business at the exact same time. Currently, WhatsApp's official policy does not allow simultaneous use of one number on both apps. Registering your number on the Business app will automatically log you out of the regular Messenger. However, you can seamlessly transfer your existing number and all your chats over to WhatsApp Business. Here is the updated step-by-step method to do it safely. First, open your regular WhatsApp app. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. Select Chats, then tap on Chat Backup. Hit the Backup button to save your current conversations to the cloud. If you want to keep your videos, make sure to toggle on Include Videos. Once your backup is 100% complete, close the app and open WhatsApp Business. Tap Agree and Continue. The app will ask if you want to use your current number. Enter the same phone number you've been using. You will receive an OTP verification code via SM. Enter this code. Next, grant the necessary permissions for contacts and media. The app will automatically find your backup. Simply tap Restore to bring all your chats into the Business app. And that's it, your number is now successfully running on WhatsApp Business with all your data intact. If you ever want to revert, simply reinstall regular WhatsApp and restore your backup again. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.